Okay, now we're delving into the world of my, well, it's all Java, so my Java stuff from before I took my college course, so high school Java, if you will. And this is in no particular order for these ones because I can't really remember the order. So I'm just going, well, I said no particular order. I'm going in alphabetical order. So I'll just show you here. So I'm starting off, this one's going to be BlackJack. And yeah, so this is the menu. Uh, it's as you can see, there's a lot of warnings here, which I don't know if that's. Yeah, so that would be a combination of, my ID back then, because I used Eclipse, either not picking this up or me just not bothering. Because, this is, the first ever thing that I did, or not the first ever thing, but, this is from my programming 12 course, which I did in grade 11. So this is the in the group of first ever programming things that I've done. So there's a lot of warnings here, like, oh, this is repeated because it's repeated. And I'll go here. So there's this blackjack card. So you know, ace is 11, two is 2, and so on. And then default, and then all of these are pretty much what you expect, except for there's this change value. So, if value is 11, uh, change to 1, which you can do, sometimes with the ace. If you would go over 21, then the ace reverts to a 1 instead of 11, if that's possible. And also I have a return here and a void, which, see, there's a few different things that are kind of janky because this is old code. Here, you see, move, let's see this. See, I'm removing index 1 and getting index 1, so I could just use those get first methods. This can be final because I never changed it. Just reassign local variable, all that kind of stuff. That's kind of just weird because I didn't know what I was doing so much. Like, what's this saying? Yeah, because I can use the enhanced for. So I'll just see. I could just do that instead. It's being weird because blackjack got blackjack card when it would just be blackjack card. But you get what I mean. It's that could easily be changed. I assume this is saying the same thing. And then what's this saying? Yeah, raw use of parameterized list because it wants, it wants this. But I didn't give it that. I just gave it the array list. I mean, it still works. You can see the method is used, but it's just you're not supposed to do it this way. And this is another one where it could be get first because I'm always getting that index 0. But I'll show it here now. And also, this could be more object oriented. Like the entire logic of of the second player, which is random because, or not random, which is AI, or because it, oh, goodness, but the second player, because there is no actual second player, because you'll be able to see each other's cards since it's a terminal program. That's what I'm trying to say. That's all in here, which it probably shouldn't be. So first ask for a name. So there's the dealer. That's what I meant. So they have the 8 of clubs. So I have the 7 of spades and 7 of clubs. That's 14. So let's draw. And I got 24. So I busted. So see, now it's playing again. I want to see if I can win, and then that'll be it. So 3 of hearts, 3 of diamonds. That's a pretty easy one to make a decision on. So now we got 15 or 14 again. Goodness. Nah, 23. So see, this is, it's just blackjack, but it's an addicting game. Just to It's complete luck. Well, not complete luck. There's some strategy, but it's fun. Like, oh, I didn't even read. I shouldn't have drawn there. I had 20. So Queen of Diamonds, Jack of Clubs. Let's end. See, I got 14 with this hand. See, I see the logic for that is very simple. They got 14, which they should have drawn again. But I think I made it so that if they have it's a random, but with a threshold. So I want to see, well, computer time. I want to check that out. So, but see, now I got a bunch of stuff in here. It's hard to find. So, computer. Let's control F. So if it's greater than 21, that if it's equal to 21, they win. Also, see, I'm not finding him here, so I'm just gonna do compute draw card, draw card. So they draw. I was looking in the wrong spot, but yeah, they draw, and then yeah, if the get total value is less than 16, they should draw a card. So I'm wondering why they didn't draw a card then. I'm not gonna, this is the old code. I'd just completely redo it if I wanted to. But I'm just kind of like, they got 14. Why didn't they draw? I'll play one more time and I'll see if that happens again. But this is a luck game, so. And I also just wanted to show off some of my old stuff because I think it's kind of interesting to look back on. And yeah, just see, they got 16 there, so it makes sense why they didn't draw. They might only do that once. I think that's might be what it is. So if they have 16, and or if they have less than 16, they will draw, but they will only draw once. Because yeah, you can draw a card, and then yeah, I think that's what it is. Anyway, I just like I said, just wanted to show off this old code. Could be way better. I don't think I plan on ever remaking any of this just because it doesn't seem like the best use of my time when it comes to programming. But it's still interesting to look back on this, and I feel like this might be one of the ones I'd be more likely to remake, but I think maybe I'd do it either in a different language to, just spice it up, or in a or like in a graphical way, which would be, more complex. But that's it for this one, and I'll see you next time.